Welcome to Eiland Park Townhomes, gated community, located in beautiful Zephyrhills, Florida. Let's take a tour of this nice 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath townhome with 1,561 square feet of living space. As you enter, you will find these modern 18-inch tiles. On your right, you will find a nice kitchen featuring maple cabinets, granite countertops with plenty of workspace. Stainless steel appliances, large sink area, with a nice window, which allows natural light to flow into the kitchen. Handy pass-through to the dining room, which can be utilized as a breakfast bar. Even has space for a couple of stools to sit at the breakfast bar, along with a handy pantry. Large dining room with the same 18-inch tile flooring. Continuing down the hallway, you come to this convenient half bath, which is perfectly located in an area away from the living room and kitchen. Inside the half bath is the laundry area, which includes the washer and dryer. Utility room has a handy shelf above the washer and dryer to store your laundry items. Home features the highly desirable rear living room. 18 by 13 living room has plenty of space for your largest furniture. Sliding glass doors leads to a nice screened porch with additional lockable storage room. Sitting on your south-facing rear porch, you can relax and enjoy this nice-sized backyard. Going back into the house, head upstairs to the bedrooms and den. This spacious master bedroom has more than enough space for your dresser, king-sized bed, and nightstands.